Hello and welcome back to the Saurabh Designs YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial episode number 7, I am going to show you how to create Pixel Stretcg Effect in Photoshop using simple steps. Select the model layer, then use Marquee tool to create rectangular selection of different texture. Then press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the selection. Now select all duplicated layers and merge them into the single layer. Now press Ctrl plus T and hold Shift plus Alt key and stretch the image. Now adjust it as you want, then add mask and erase unwanted part of image. This is the final result. If you like our content, then be sure to like, comment and also subscribe to channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about the new content. Bye bye for now. I will see you in the next video.